Introducing Mini Delight of Floral Congrats with a beautiful outline image and lots of bolded gorgeous sentiments. Also coordinating is the die set. It cuts the outline image as well as some little flowers with centers and some foliage, so you can create a beautiful arrangement. Here's a look at the dies on the back. We're going to go ahead and we are going to layer together the smaller flowers. So you can layer together two of the big flowers, and for that you would want to use one of the larger flower centers. Just putting a little glue on the back. Then I'll get a little glue on the back of my flower center and put that right in the center. You can also layer the flowers together with one of the big flowers and one of the little flowers. For that, I'm using the small flower center. And finally, you can use the two small flowers and offset them and layer them together. And for that, I would use the smaller flower center as well. And here's an example of a couple of the foliage dies cut out and colored so that you can see how those would go together in an arrangement. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your mini delight of Floral Congrats. Here is some beautiful inspiration from our fabulous designers. To find out more about Mini Delight of Floral Congrats and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.